Today I'll be walking you through the marketing section of Yellow Admin Dashboard, from where admin can set various promotions for the customers ranging from discount, promo code, referral, ad banners, loyalty points and push campaign. So let's start with the promo code. Under the promotion section, now click on it. Now add promotion. So here admin will have two options to add the either have as a percentage discount or as a flat discount. So let's just say we select flat discount and we can name the promo code over here and just enter the discount value, and admin can add the descriptions. And here we can set the validity for this promo code, start date and the end date. And admin can set the maximum number of users allowed for this promo code, and we can even set the minimum order for the promo code to be applicable. And there is a application mode available. So here you can either keep the promo code public, hidden or auto apply. So public will be seen to everyone, hidden customer won't be able to see it, but if customer knows the promo code, customer can apply it. And if you select auto apply, the promo code will be applied automatically during the checkout. So let's just keep it public. And we can even set the maximum number of users allowed to use this promo code, and we can even set the maximum number of times promo code can be applied. And we can apply the promo code on subtotal, delivery charge and product. So let's just say we select product and we can select the restaurant, and we can assign it for the specific product. Now select it on subtotal. Now click on add. Now go to the view website. Now click on this restaurant. Now click on checkout. Here you can see that there is a promo code available, so we can apply that. Here you can see that we are getting 40 rupees off. So now we have explored the promo codes, and now we are going to discount section. So discount can be applied on two things, one for specific merchant and one can be applied for a product wise discount. So let's just say we applied a discount for that merchant. So discount, and let's just say we set 10% discount. Set the validity for it, click on add. Now go to this merchant. Here you can see that 10% discount has been applied on that. And now we are going to add a specific product discount. Set the discount value. set the validity for it. Okay, so now we have to apply this 5% discount. Click on the catalog, click on edit, and now the set discount. So let's just say we apply this discount, click on save. Here you can see that 5% discount has been applied here and 10% discount on rest of our products. We have explored the discount section. Let's move on to the referral section. So customer can share the referral code to the new customer to bring it to this platform. So here is how referral code is defined. So you can set it for flat discount or percentage discount. So let's just say set the percentage discount. Maximum, you can also set the maximum discount value. Set the description for it. And there is two different things. One is referral discount and the other one is referee discount percentage. You can even set the minimum order amount. The referral code will be applied at the time of checkout. Here you can see that a referral code has been generated. So they can share it with their friends to get the new customer to this platform. So they will have the incentive to bring the new customers. Now let's move on to the ad banner section. So ad banners are, let me show you. These are the ad banners admin can use to promote products or a specific merchant for this platform. Now you can see that it is promoting this merchant, and now let me show you how you can add the banner. Let's just name it. You can even link to the external link. You can just mention any website. Let's just say enter text. Now add the image for it. Now you can see that new banner has been added. Now you can see that it has been redirected to the merchant that we have mentioned earlier, and admin can also promote the specific product using the ad banner or for a particular merchant. So loyalty point is basically a scheme in which customer can earn some points after making a certain purchase, and they can redeem the point while making a purchase. So admin can set a certain criteria for earning the loyalty points and the redeeming criteria as well. So let's just enable the loyalty point section and just say put it 50 rupees is equal to 25 points, and you can even set the minimum order for getting the points, and you can even set the maximum earning points, and there is an option for expiry duration for the points. And now we can also set the redemption criteria. So we can set that 2 points equal to 1 rupees, and you can even set the minimum order amount for the redemption of the points, and here you can set the maximum redemption amount percentage. So let's just save it. Now go to the merchant, proceed to checkout. Now let's place an order. Here you can see that order has been placed, and now that order has been placed, and go to the order section, accept the order, mark it completed,